that you want change. You are ready for change. And you are ready to embrace what you have deserved for so long.
Ni pediang supaya pi barok ki paralog ki parajor sasisen jaga simple life story. Lai benai mencuah hamadan malki haka por bakinong hikai ki penlong ya ka jingyalang bandawa ban penkiu tulop. Lami pau uwe ustamla ubalong unong keren pajba ubat bit ubah hakak den pareng ki kod urito. Une ustamla ude Samla Mayborn Lyngdoh ubadai unong aikten ka pastom kasenjuk kinung hikai adhok ha Meghalaya. Haka artarik ubnai banyau usnem arajar arhuar. Kasih kebasan kabakinung hikai ki yalum bat tiamet hasurok bandawa ban penkeu tulop naka Sorkar. U Samla Mayborn Lyngdoh ula ai ya ka jingkren kabala pen ya ka mynsiem ya baro ki bayok sneu ya ka jingkren jo bat ki babon kinung hikai kilayam bat ja umat haka to kasngi hakane ka jingkren U Samla Mayborn ula ya tu khana sapang ka jingya dai silok hakabala kala bandon ka jingya nia ka jingya mai ka jing bom ya sneu tho jingmut haye ngasem kabala banyalam sado baki silok kin om ya krensu da kita yau pada ki benai henrei ki hab hi ban ya imlang ban ya salang na ka benta kalawe ki khon gikti wada pedang ka jing ya per jimut kalok kan yai ab ya ulok wala uslem banwan phaying kala banlong hado sibaji lani arbaji.
The citizens is that of a husband and wife. There will be conflicts, there will be misunderstandings, there will be times where the husband and the wife will not talk to each other for weeks, for months maybe, but they still choose to live together because they have to think of the future of the children and the future of the ones that will follow.
Haba penya seryim yakinong hikai adhok kalok jongka Sorkar MDA U Samla Mayborn ulaong bangin yai ap hado baka Sorkar kan wan pai padhado bakanda ai ya ka bakinong hikai kidawa.
So just like the wife who waits for the husband to come back home, even if the husband is late, the wife will always keep waiting. If the husband comes at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the wife will wait. So we, the ad hoc teachers in the state of Meghalaya, Baptistone, we are the wives of the MDA government. And we will wait for the MDA government, who is our husband, to come back home and to bring what we deserve. That is the enhancement and the increment in the notification and by order.
Hakane ka jingkren layo iya U Samla Mayborn uba klem la syo ban tengkan ya laki umat ban yo iya kinong hikai kibala hab ban wan samet hat surok bat kibala hab ban enok ya laka yingkasem bat ya laki kon gikti na ka benta bandawa ya laka hok.
I am tearing up right now because this has been going on for the last 5 days. I see these teachers here from far-flung places. They have come, they have slept here at night. They have had sleepless nights. We do not know whether they have had food or not. It pains my heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here.
Kane ka jingkren jong U Samla Mayborn kadai ka bakta hadok kata-kata ya ka mynsiem pat ka donut jong gitu ki bayok sngeu ya ka jingkren jong kabala penlong ya ki babun banjau uman. Klempep kan ka jingkren kala pynjem ya ka donut ki minister ka Sorkar MDA ki bala simpat ya ka rai haka saudarik ubnai wan reu usnem ar hajar ar puar man penkiu ya ka tulop jongkini kinong hikai adok kubla ya piki paralok para jor tetat hado ubang ini sembiang haka waipat ka video kublai sibun.